Welcome back to another episode of the Australia Skill Migration series. And in today's episode, I am really excited to talk about one of the most highly paid profession in the Australia, which is social worker. Its ANSCO code is 272511. So you can continue watching this video till the end if you are a Pakistani graduate with a sociology degree from like one of the top ranked universities in Pakistan, Qaid-e-Azam University, International Islamic University, Islamabad, because I know these are the universities which are quite famous when it comes to sociology, or you're currently working or you are employed in any NGO or you're working in any government related firm where you are social worker, so you can continue watching this video as you will get to know a lot about how you can move to Australia directly on the basis of permanent residency program with your family. The skill assessing authority for this profession is the Australian Association of Social Worker. So whenever you apply to Australia on the basis of two visas, 491 or 190, so you have to get your skills assessed basically. So when you are talking about skill assessment, there are two criterias basically. One is your qualification or the degree you have completed. They are going to match the transcript courses of your degree with the criteria they have set for this profession. And second thing is that they are going to look at your employment history or the kind of the job roles that you had in your previous qualification, and on the basis of that either they will give you a positive or a negative skill assessment. So it is really important to read the criteria of the skill assessment that is mentioned on the Australian Association of Skilled Worker website, so that you can get a positive response from them regarding your skill assessment. So now we will be talking about the assessment tracks on the Australian Association of Social Worker website. One track is that you can just get your degree or qualifications assessed, and on the basis of that even you can apply for the 491 and 190, which are direct PR visas for Australia. So for that, what do you need for just qualification assessment? First is bachelor's in sociology or any other degree that is considered as a degree on the basis of which you can work as a social worker in your country, which is Pakistan. Second requirement is that you need to have at least 6 months of or 1000 hours of field experience in your field. One more important thing is that you need to appear in the IELTS exam. And there you might be aware that there are two kinds of exams: IELTS academic and IELTS general. For skill assessment through the Australian Association of Social Worker, you need to go through the IELTS academic exam, and you need to score overall 7 bands and not less than 6.5 in each module. So if you will be going through this track, what do you need? First of all, you need degree, transcript, then you need to show the experience certificate of your internship of 1000 hours, and lastly you need to show them your IELTS academic result, which should be overall 7 and not less than 6.5 in each module. Now, this skill assessment track is for all of those individuals who have just recently graduated or who haven't got any kind of experience of working as a social worker. So, on the basis of this assessment, if you get a positive response from the AASW regarding your skill assessment, you can still go ahead and apply for the 491 and 190 visa. But there is another optional track as part of the AASW, which is if you want to get your experiences assessed as well. But keep in mind that if you will be going through the optional track, You also need to first make sure that you have your qualifications assessed already prior to applying for the optional track. So, if you will be going for the optional track, that you will be like providing the experiences, your job experiences, certificates, pay slips, tax certificates, and each and everything. What it will do is that it will increase your overall points, because when you are applying for the skill assessment, you need a lot of points, because in the invitation rounds, usually the person who has the highest points will get invited by any states of Australia, like New South Wales or southern states, okay, southern Australia, Western Australia. So that is why an optional track is there for you if you want to get your experiences assessed, and you will apply through this and you will get extra points. So, what are you waiting for? If you have got the relevant qualification related to the field of sociology or social worker, or are you currently employed and working in an NGO or any other government firm in Pakistan, and you want to migrate with your family, and once you land, you have your PR in your hand, and do know that getting a PR in Australia has a lot of perks, even for you, as well as you will be getting a lot of pay just because you will be a social worker, but also your family will enjoy a lot of privileges. So if you want to process your case through us,